Let's see what we got here, Eddie. Haunted lamp. Crass chicken. Literally garbage. Double scoop of pistachio. The Mummy Returns. Atomic Flounder. Mad cow disease.